These are the charts on Verve Therapeutics, and I never heard of the company until a couple of weeks ago when I noticed that Cathie Wood made several transactions um, in the last couple of weeks in October. We can see from this table here, starting in October 23rd, she started buying shares over a span of a couple of days to the tune of roughly 600,000 shares. Now, this wasn't her first time getting to Verve. She's actually been buying the shares going back to around a year ago this time frame. And so far, she owns roughly 5 million shares, small stake, 81 million, and it represents less than 1% of her portfolio. However, she owns 10% of the company, more or less. So she has a significant stake and interest in the company. Now, this is the daily chart. And as you can see, the last couple of days, price has gone from $9 to about 15.5. And what's all the fuss about? Well, let's get into this article. It is coming from investing.com. Verve Therapeutics stock up 24% on expanded Eli Lilly partnership. Now, Eli Lilly has been in the news as of late. I believe they have, along with Novo Nordisk, or Nordisk Novo, these new fat-losing drugs. But nevertheless, Eli Lilly is making news for another reason in this case. So Verve Therapeutics stock saw a significant rise earlier this week following an announcement of an expanded partnership with pharmaceutical giant Eli Lilly. This comes despite a previous 68% drop from a 52-week low. In the expanded collaboration, Eli Lilly has secured rights for Verve's PCSK9, pretty much their gene editing programs. Again, I just did a video today, which should have been posted or will be posted on Exact Sciences, which Cathie Wood has a hand in as well. Again, on the gene editing theme. Nevertheless, this would include products such as Verve 101, 102, and 201. These products are designed to decrease low-density lipoprotein cholesterol in patients at risk for cardiovascular disease. Under the new agreement, Lilly will share 33% of global development costs and jointly commercialize in the U.S. under a 50-50 profit and expense sharing agreement. Verve retains all product rights outside the U.S. and will also oversee the development and commercialization of all collaboration products. Now, the two companies established an exclusive research partnership early this year in June, focusing on Verve's preclinical stage in vivo gene editing program targeting lipoprotein. Now, the recent expansion of the collaboration signifies a deepening relationship between the two firms, with potential benefits for both parties in terms of shared resources and increased market reach. All right, so now going back to the charts, let's zoom out to the monthly chart. And you can see how the monthly chart made a lower low, but I bet if I was to pull up a relative strength, some type of index, you'll see that more than likely the index is making higher lows. All right, so in the short term, where can price go? I think price can go as high as initially I was looking at 20. So let's just keep it there, right? Scroll down to the weekly chart. Now I had marked this, I did a short on this a couple of weeks ago, and this was the first short-term test, because as you can see, you had a lot of sideways price action through September and October, and that was going to serve as headwind for price. However, on the news of this partnership, price just blew past that. All right, so why the $20 target? Well, this was the origin of the previous leg down, which took price to all-time lows. So originally I was looking at this level here at 24. However, price would have to deal with this level here. Now to be sure, let's go down to the weekly chart. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so this extended range red candle will serve as a headache for price. What you could say is that you have daily sellers at this level here at $19. Why? Well, you have, let's expand this a little bit. You have a drop in price, a couple of basic candles, and a drop down on above average volume. As you can see, price retrace, hit the bottom of that zone, and then collapse. So there are definitely some sellers in this area here. So we'll call that daily sellers at $19. Also on the daily chart, you can see how prices are and have closed above the moving averages. Past week price closed off the highs of the day, but again still above the 100-day moving average. Your next resistance is going to be the $16.50 level, which is where the 200-day moving average sits right now. However, again, based on the leg down and these gaps in price while price was declining, I don't see any major sell levels until price gets to this daily sellers level at $19. So this should also make Cathie Wood happy in her recent purchase in the black. Again, look for a short-term target at the $19 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.